Michael Vandergrift, MCV Realty Group.
We are going to another episode of the Military Minute. We have a very distinguished guest with us here today. You're going to...
Our mission is to be the real estate company of choice, to always utilize resources and technology to provide the best service to all of our clients, to be able to provide the options to best fit each client's needs, to treat every client like family and guide them to their destination. Our vision, to be your real estate agent and advisor for life, to help guide you through each chapter of your life, honestly, ethically, and when you're ready.
Hello, everyone. Michael Vandergrift, your favorite real estate consultant, agent, and economist, coming to you from Lake James. I'm at my Dollar General here at 200 West, 275 North, right here near the First Basin, Lake James, coming to you with the 3Rivers market report for June 12th, 2024. Market is on fire. Days on market average for the last 7 days was 10. Average, median 3 versus last year, 23 and 5, and even versus last week, that's double the speed. I mean, that's a pretty quick market. Active available listings came in 443, down 6 or down 1% week over week, but up 25% year over year. New listings came in down 18% week over week, but up 12% year over year. Solds came in down 30% week over week, but up 2% year over year. And pendings came in up 20% week over week, down just less than 1% year over year. Median sale price came in at $265,000, which is showing 13% appreciation versus last year's number. We already went over the days on market. Solds came in last 12 months at 4,331 versus last year at this time 4,684. So only down 7.5. And like I've been saying, we're going to see that get to zero or positive probably by the end of the year. I mean, we're going to see that last year was the lowest number of homes that could be sold, and we see that from the recession it had. And for this episode, I did a little special for you on the Four Corners, since I'm up here in the Four Corners working, trying to promote this open house that we're having Thursday, the 13th from 4 to 6, that I hope you can make it to. Four Corners market, there's actively available 45 homes for sale right now. 11 have been sold in the last 30 days. Had to go back 30 days. Last 7 there were 0. Homes have sold in this area anywhere from 150,000 to 1.3 million. Days on market, a lot slower than what we see in Fort Wayne. 48 average, 28 median. Takes a little longer when you're on these higher price homes. Median sale price up here is about $425,000. And that is your market report in a nutshell. Feel free to reach out to us if you need anything. Everyone make it a great day. Grace and peace.